suffer tire, but I never see suffer wey dey like Jabez.
But wait, all these incantations, how did you know all these things?
Baba, Baba, I don't turn regular customer for this juju something. I don't go shrine, so take shrine scarce.
Oh. You don't go juju tire?
Sometimes, if una make mistake for this una incantations, na me dey correct una self. The reason why you no even sabi my face na because say you just enter here last month.
What brought you to my shrine?
But sometimes I dey stay hungry, so I go even forget say I dey hungry. I go forget say I never chop. Hungry don master me, Baba. Hungry don master me. Baba, the level of poverty wey I dey now, sometimes I dey fear to shit. Because if I shit now, nothing go dey my belly again, Baba. So Baba, as e be now, I don make up my mind. I wan do money ritual.
For your rituals to commence, you will bring me 1 basin of garri, original white garri, very pure white garri. No, the one that have taste. I don't need red one. No.
Look at my face.
Make sure that the basin is complete. Go to market, ask them original complete basin of garri. See, you buy sugar, 3 packets of sugar. 3. You will get me confirm sealed bottle groundnut. You see that one we done inside, we done well. Now that way my gods they like gods they approve that one well. Fresh one. I don't need all those old ones that have stayed in the market or all those women used to sell in the market. I know they like.
I could have killed a lot of people.
You can get me like 3 or as much as your hand can reach.
Which kind of thing be this now? Baba, na garri you want drink now?
Yes.
Which kind of fake ritual be this now? I go flame up.
No verse now. I take no.
Baba, so now the update be this one. So if I pretend now say I be nature doctor, people go dey bring garri for me to drink steady.
Even before you enter yourself, na garri they drink. You know this life will be guys now. Now manage with the manager ourselves.
Baba, bring garri make we drink, make we enjoy abeg. Bring garri make we drink.
Abeg. Come see my own garri. Come drink and together. Come follow me more drink. Yeah.